What's up, Guru Gang? It's your girl, the Natural Guru here, back with another video. Today's video is basically a wash day, but today I co-washed and I also used a new mask from Dove, as you will see further into the video. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and please wait to the end of the video to hear what I feel about this new Dove deep conditioning mask. All right, Guru Gang. This is the new Dove Amplified Texture Moisture Spa Recovery Mask for coils and curls. It is a moisture amplified blend with honey. It was crafted to enhance the natural beauty of textured hair. It was tested for coily and curly hair types with no parabens, no dyes, and is color safe. It is used in conjunction with the Dove Hydrate and Cleanse shampoo. You must apply the mask on wet hair and use your finger to distribute the product. It says to leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm going to leave it on for about 20. my hair. I'm really liking it. It's more of a very defined twist out. Usually I go for like big twist outs. That's when I blow dry my hair and then twist it. But this is good. I like it. I did it on wet hair, so it came out like this, a little bit shrunken, but I'm gonna give it a couple of more days to, you know, stretch out. But let's get to the start of the show. So I did use a new deep conditioner or a new mask, and it was the Dove Amplified Texture Moisture Spa Recovery Mask for Coils and Curls. So I'm pretty sure I showed this in the video and I showed the texture of it already, but I just wanted to show it again. But anyway, as my thoughts on this mask, deep conditioner or whatever, I would definitely give it a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10, because the thing was, it did moisturize my hair, but it didn't moisturize my hair just like the Cantu did. For the moisture factor, I give it a 7 for a moisture factor. It was good, but it wasn't like extravagant. And like when I did add the product on my hair, as y'all seen, it did take me some time to rake it in there, because I didn't just want it to sit on my hair, because that's what it felt like it was doing. Like I could feel the hydrating and the oils and the moisture in the product, but once I put it on my hair, it felt like it was just sitting on top of my strands. So it did take me a couple of times to infuse it with my hair, so I know it's doing its job. But when I rinsed it off, my hair was not dry. It did not seem like I wasted my time. That's why I gave this whole product of 8. It is very affordable. I believe this was like $7 or something, and you do get a lot of product. The consistency of the product was thick, and you know I love thick, creamy deep conditioners or masks, and it was definitely easy to work with. The smell smelled very fragrancy, like somebody put a little perfume in it. But once I was using it, I'm so used to so many smells and products, sometimes I just be like, let me mention the smell, let me see if this smell. But right now I'm just like, the smell was definitely fragrancy, and it could hurt somebody's head if you you don't like the smell of this type of conditioner or mask. But all in all, I do rate this conditioner an 8, and it was a good conditioner. I would repurchase this if, you know what I mean, if it's like, oh, I want to use it again and try this again and try this on my clients, I would definitely repurchase it. It wasn't a bad conditioner. They actually did great with this, and yeah, it's a great conditioner. So I don't have too many bad things to say about it. But if you already tried this whole line, because it does come with an shampoo and conditioner, I believe. So y'all just let me know. I think it does come with a curl custard as well. But let me know if you try any one of these products, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Guru Gang.